welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today I am here with a makeup brand review. I am reviewing Beauty Bakeries. I'm a little late to the train, but better late than never. I received my package a while ago, but I hadn't gotten to it just with like camera problems, computer problems, work, school, all that. But we're not gonna make those excuses because you know what? We got it all figured out. So we are here and we are gonna do this thing. I got like a lot of goodies. I've already used some of this stuff, so it's not gonna be like a first impression because I know and I really like a lot of this stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys how I used it and how I apply it. And all that good stuff, and you know, give you guys an overall review because I do foundation reviews. I know not everyone can afford high-end foundations, and sometimes you find really good gems that are a lot cheaper. So you know, for you college students, high school students, or just somebody who's not trying to break their bank with their makeup, like this is one of those brands. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. If you like what you see so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the squad. First thing I got was the foundation. Their foundation is the Demi Matte Foundation. Everything about Beauty Bakeries is is bakery related, so it's super cute. I love the whole concept. Like, I don't know why no one thought of it sooner. It's super cute. So this is the foundation box. It's like a mix, like a cake mix box, and so it just says Beauty Bakeries cake mix Demi foundation, and so the foundation would be in there. I have it right out here, so I just want to show you guys the packaging, and it has all the nutrition ingredients right there. Super clever. I love that because you know we always want to know what we are using, and then even on the back it shows you the things you need. You need the baking oil, flour, the blending egg, and bakeware. So it gives you step like 1 through 4 and how to bake. So prepping, I always get this crooked. Prepping, mixing, and baking. So that was exciting. And to my surprise, I ended up getting 2 foundations, 2 different shades because it was my first time. So I got this cute little note in the mail with it as well. And it just says, we know that finding the perfect foundation shade online can be tricky. So to make this experience a little sweeter, for your first foundation order, we're gifting you the next closest to match your shade, and you chose the shade you chose, and a blending egg to help you get the perfect baked beat. So I thought that was really cool. So we got that, and then it says if you enjoy them, if you love them both, they're yours to keep. If you don't need one of them, sweeten the life of someone you love by gifting them the shade that doesn't work for you. So I'm most likely going to give away one of these foundations depending on which one, but you know what, I've tried both of them to be honest, and they're both really close to my skin tone, so it's crazy. So like you can't really tell a difference. What I love about this brand also, it really caters to the colored girls like us dark skinned women, and the foundation shades actually start with the darkest shade first, and I thought that was so impressive. I don't know of any other foundation line or brand or beauty brand that does that. So the darkest shade is the number 1, and then it goes on. The shades that I received are 3 and 5. Like I said, they're super similar to each other. Once again, I love how it looks. It just looks super chocolate, and you know, chocolate girls, so I just love anything chocolate. So I got 2 foundations that we are going to try. Next, I also got a mascara, so that's that. It came in a little package, so this was what it came in. Super cute as well. What else did we get here? The other foundation box. I got 2 matte lippies. They're lip whips. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. So I got the color, I gotta take it out because I've used these. I'm obsessed. I got the color Raspberry Tiramisu Lip Whip. The cutest thing ever, and you guys will see it as I try it on. And then I also got, I think it's like a cranberry something, but it's red, and I love it. Mon Chéri lip whip. So I got those two. I also decided to, I got the most that I could. I got the bronze palette, and look at that hunty. And I've already used this. These are all, actually all my favorite. Except, haven't really used this one, but like all the other three, yeah, bomb. And once again, packaging is super, super cute and girly, and I like it. So yeah. And then, which, okay, for most people this would be a problem, but I think this is the best problem I've ever had. I got their concealer in the shade, well, it just says What's Frappin' Cake Concealer. And I thought I was gonna use it to highlight, and it's too dark, which I'm so happy about, because oftentimes we always find concealers that are too light, so we struggle with having to blend it out and all this stuff. But this is too dark, and that makes me so happy, because I know that girls that are darker than me, especially from the country I'm from, like I'm from Sudan, so like Sudan translates to land of dark, so we are, you know, the darkest of the dark. So it's so good to know that, like, that is a thing. Last and not least, I got the palette, the Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette, and I thought this was super cute too. Once again, I kind of dipped and dabbled in all everything, and that is it. So I didn't end up getting the primer because I wasn't sure where to look for it, or wasn't sure where it was, or the flower powder. So we're just gonna do without for now. But I'm just gonna use what I usually use for my foundation, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish primers. Alright, so for the foundation, I'm going to do one side with one color and one side with one shade and the other with the other shade, because I want to show you guys how close they are and how happy I am. Oh, I also got a blending egg. It's being used now, so yeah, but it's one of my favorite blending eggs. I really like this one. I've been reaching for it more than anything else. So for the first side, I'm going to take number 3 and put it on this side. And this is, like I said, a matte foundation, and from the uses that I've used of it, it dries really quickly, it mattens really quickly, but it also doesn't feel like a lot. But if you want matte, honey, you got it. See, and look how close it is compared, like, to my skin tone. Like, it's almost like set. And this is 3. Yeah, I figured I was gonna do one, but one was sold out, and I was kind of scared because I'm like, okay, it might be just a tad bit darker, you know. I'm usually on the darker end, and I followed their chart on the website, so I kind of knew what I was getting into. And this number 3 was the same shade I was in NARS in Zambi. So I was like, okay, I think I'm making a good choice here. So yeah, so this is one side. Right, so then I'm gonna do number 5 on this side. Once again, it's like super similar, and I do not have a problem with that. Three on this side and 5, wait, 3 on this side and 5 on this side. Which side do you guys like better? I honestly, it's so hard to tell. I don't know. This might be a little bit more on the red, and this is a little bit more warmer. That's what I can tell, but like, you can barely tell. So, it's lit. Next, I am going to get into the eyeshadow palette. I am going to do a super simple look because this palette is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and take the color, since I'm wearing yellow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some yellow. These are gonna be really good for like smoky eyes, which, ooh, yeah. I like it. Okay. That is that. Okay, so I am back. So I'm gonna get into the bronzing palette, and I'm gonna use You're Grounded. Show you guys how pigmented that is. Yes, I'm excited. That has to be one of my favorites, but the one I love anti-depresso. Depresso? Yeah, because it's perfect for my skin tone. Like, it makes me look like a bronze goddess, and that's really hard to pull off these days. Where is that brush? Alright, so I'm gonna use You're Grounded. This is more of like a summery look, and I want to continue looking super summery. And it's very pigmented, so you just gotta use it lightly. You don't wanna. Alright, and then I'm going to use mascara for my eyes. Like I said, this is going to be super simple. I don't want it to be super crazy, but alright guys, so on to the lips. Like I said, this is a summer look, so I don't know how we're going to put these lip ups in there, but I just really want to show you how pigmented they are. Maybe a bold. Maybe we'll do this one. So I love the applicator. It's super cute, and you honestly don't need to use very much of it to get the color down. So I'm being super bold going in with this color, but look at it, like one, and you don't have to dip it in there again. I love that. You can just use it once, like one whip, and you're whipped up. Super whipped up. So you guys, this is the final look with what I made with my bake. So I baked the cake. Let's do a rundown. So the foundations, I believe, are $28. I will be giving one away. Like I said, I can't even tell the difference between the two, but I will be giving one away. And I'll also be giving away this concealer because it's too dark for me and it dries really quickly. So I tried to do like a reverse contour, and it was still too dark and didn't move quick enough. So I will be giving those away. How to win it, I guess. Let's see. Just let me know if you are the same skin tone as me or close enough, and like hit me in my DMs. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, or just DM me on Instagram. Say, hey, do you still have that shade? And if I do, I will give it to you. I will give it away. So if you're either shade 5 or 3, let me know. But I really like this look. It's super cute, super springy, and the pop of pink really brings out everything. I think it is great. My favorite parts were the foundation, the lipstick, and the highlight. The bronzer palette, I loved that. As well as the eyeshadows, but those were my favorites. The mascara I could have done without, but all the products are really good. I want to try the baking flour. I've heard so many people rave about it, so that might be my next order. I might order that, and the oil next time so I can get it together. You know how things usually work together on in the same brand or in the same spectrum. But yeah, so that was that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for to Beauty Bakeries for sending me an extra foundation just to make sure that my shade was right, and just really looking out for us who really never had our own place, and now we do. Beauty Bakerie, and we know that not just only dark skinned people, but like they took care of all of the different colors and shades, and that's very much appreciated. So I appreciated that a lot, and hopefully I'll be trying some new things. But yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.